Samsung's foldable lineup is evolving again, and while early rumors suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just be a special edition of its predecessor, new leaks reveal something even more exciting. The Z Fold 7 isn't just a minor refresh, it brings notable improvements across the board, making it one of Samsung's most refined foldables to date. Here at Technology Review, we'll break down 5 major upgrades coming to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, including display improvements, camera upgrades, better durability, performance boosts, and potential pricing leaks. If you've been waiting to upgrade, this might just be the foldable phone to beat in 2025. 1. Display upgrades, a game changer for the Z Fold 7. One of the biggest misconceptions when it comes to display improvements is that bigger always means better. While the Z Fold 7 isn't expected to grow in size compared to the Z Fold Special Edition, Samsung is focusing on enhancing the overall display quality instead. Small blue diamond, sharper visuals, and brighter colors. Expect a more vibrant AMOLED panel with improved peak brightness, making outdoor visibility even better. Small blue diamond, higher durability. Samsung is rumored to be using stronger ultra-thin glass (UTG) to make the foldable screen more resistant to scratches and pressure. Small blue diamond, advanced AI-powered enhancements. The Z Fold 7 could introduce Samsung's exclusive Pro Scaler feature from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which enhances screen clarity and optimizes content for a more immersive viewing experience. Samsung has already made massive strides in reducing crease visibility in foldable displays. Leaks suggest that the Z Fold 7 will feature an even more refined hinge, improving both durability and smoothness while folding. 2. Stronger, crease-free hinge, a major engineering feat. Foldable smartphones have always struggled with the crease issue, but Samsung is taking another big step forward with the Z Fold 7's hinge technology. Small blue diamond, more refined hinge design. The Z Fold Special Edition already introduced a stronger hinge with multiple moving parts. The Z Fold 7 is expected to take this further with a nearly crease-free design, offering a smoother fold and better longevity. Small blue diamond, lighter build, stronger durability. Samsung might be experimenting with new materials to make the hinge lighter without compromising strength. Small blue diamond, more reliable water and dust resistance. Although Samsung has improved water resistance in previous models, the Z Fold 7 could push these limits even further. Samsung's competition in the foldable market, particularly from Chinese brands like Honor, Xiaomi, and Oppo, has forced them to refine their hinge technology even faster. 3. A big camera upgrade. Finally, one of the biggest complaints about Samsung's foldable lineup has been the lack of significant camera upgrades over the years. Samsung has seemingly been holding back improvements, likely due to the complexity of fitting high-end camera modules into a foldable design. However, with the Z Fold 7, things are finally changing. Small blue diamond, better main sensor. Reports suggest a significant jump in camera quality, which could mean a larger sensor for improved low-light performance. Small blue diamond, AI-powered enhancements. Samsung is expected to implement more advanced AI processing to improve detail, color accuracy, and night photography. Small blue diamond, one downgrade to note. While the Z Fold 7 brings upgrades, leaks also suggest that one of the camera sensors might get a slight downgrade to balance costs. For Galaxy Z Fold users, this is a big deal. We haven't seen a meaningful camera upgrade since the Z Fold 4. Samsung is finally addressing this. The Z Fold 7 could be a game changer in foldable photography. 4. Performance and cooling. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is here. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, bringing next-level performance improvements. Small blue diamond, no Exynos chip this year. Early leaks suggested an Exynos-powered Fold might be coming, but thankfully Samsung is sticking with Qualcomm's latest flagship chip. Small blue diamond, more power, more heat? The Snapdragon 8 Elite is incredibly powerful, but it runs hotter than its predecessors. Fortunately, Samsung is upgrading the cooling system, using the same improved vapor chamber design from the Galaxy S25 series. Small blue diamond, same RAM but better efficiency. The Z Fold 7 is sticking with 12GB RAM, unlike the 16GB RAM in the Special Edition. However, thanks to improved memory efficiency, performance should still be top tier. With this raw power boost, the Z Fold 7 will handle multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications effortlessly, making it one of the most powerful foldables ever made. 5. Battery and charging, a long overdue upgrade? Samsung has kept the same battery and charging setup on its foldable phones for years. The Z Fold 7 might finally change that, but it's still unclear how much. Small Blue Diamond, a much-needed charging upgrade? Early leaks hinted at improved fast charging, but the same leaker later retracted the claim. Small Blue Diamond, Samsung needs to catch up. Competitors like OnePlus and Xiaomi offer super fast charging on foldables, while Samsung still caps at 25W wired charging. Small Blue Diamond battery life improvements. Even if the charging speeds don't change, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency could help improve battery life overall. While Samsung seems hesitant to push charging speeds, we hope the Z Fold 7 surprises us with an upgrade in this department. Pricing. Will it stay at $1,899? Foldable phones have always been expensive, but with rising competition and Samsung's upcoming Trifold, many expected the Z Fold 7's price to increase. However, according to recent reports, Small Blue Diamond Samsung might keep the starting price at $1,899. This is a smart move considering how Chinese brands are aggressively entering the global foldable market. Small Blue Diamond, a Trifold release could impact pricing. Samsung's rumored expensive Trifold might justify keeping the Z Fold 7 at the same price to offer multiple pricing tiers. If Samsung manages to keep the price steady while delivering meaningful upgrades, the Z Fold 7 could be an excellent deal for foldable phone buyers. Final thoughts. Is the Z Fold 7 worth the upgrade? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the foldable market. It's not just a special edition, it brings white heavy checkmark, a better, brighter display with AI-powered enhancements. White heavy checkmark, a stronger hinge with less crease visibility. White heavy checkmark, a long-awaited camera upgrade. White heavy checkmark, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with improved cooling. White heavy checkmark, potential battery and speaker improvements. White heavy checkmark, possibly the same $1,899 price tag. If these leaks hold true, the Z Fold 7 could be one of Samsung's most refined foldables ever. The real question now is whether Samsung will surprise us with any unexpected features before launch. Would you upgrade to the Z Fold 7 or are you waiting for the Samsung Trifold? Let us know in the comments.